Hello guys, this is God's Power Ogeagbe. So on this video, I will show you step by step how you can make money online with Sproutgigs. So just keep on watching and let me take you now to my smartphone and show you step by step how you can make money with this method. So just keep on watching. So like I said, you are going to make money with this website which is called Sproutgigs. So previously, this website that is called Sproutgigs is known as Picoworker. For those of you who don't know this, you need to go and watch this video that will pop up to know more details about Picoworker. Now their name is called Sproutgigs. Why did they call it Sproutgigs? They want to look like, I would just say that they want to look a little bit similar like Fiverr, because on Fiverr, you can create a gig on Fiverr. So then they just add a gig to their name and call it Sproutgigs. So that is what I need to say. So let me show you around Sproutgigs. So you can see previously known as Picoworker. Say where the world works. So this website, what they do is that you can create a gig, you can create a task. Let me say you have a talent, you know how to design, you know how to write a blog, you know how to do anything, any skills you have. You can come and post that gig, post your experience, post that gift that you have on this website which is called Sproutgigs, and people are willing to pay you for completing that particular task for them. Let me say, for example, you know how to design business card or flyers, or you know how to design website, you know how to develop apps. So if you know how to do all those things, you can come to this website, create things like that as an offer. When people buy it, you are going to complete this task from them, and you are going to get paid in return for doing that. That is what Sproutgigs is doing. And the second thing that they do is that you can make money by referring people to this website which is Sproutgigs. And the third way is that you can complete tasks for people. You can work for people like people are working for you on Sproutgigs. Earn money too by completing tasks, which is as a worker or as an employer, you are the one employing them, but as a worker, you are the one working for them. But if you want to if you have any task or anything you want to do, let me say you want to design a Facebook page or a Facebook banner cover photo, you can just ask people on this website and they will do the work for you, and you are going to be paying them, which is you are the one employing somebody. But if you are the one doing the job, which you are the worker, and they are the one paying you. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. So if you scroll down here, you can go to the website and see everything. Just look at how everything is. You can see what I say. You earn 5% for referring people to this program. So that is what I want you to be aware of. So the next thing, what you have to do is to sign up if you don't have any account. So I will click on sign up here. So once I click on sign up, it's going to ask for your first name and last name, your email address, your password, confirm your password, your nickname. You select your country, and here we say select your profile. You can select it as worker or employer. It doesn't really mean, because when you are in the profile, they combine worker account and the employer account together, so you can switch it when you are already logged in. So this is not a problem. Accept the terms and condition. Accept that you want to receive occasional email from them if you want. This is if you want, and click on sign up, and they will send you Sproutgigs will send you an email. When they send you this email, you click on it and click on the link they send to you. Your account to be verified. That is a confirmation of your account. That is activation of your account. So once your account will be activated, you need to go and click on login. So once you click on login here, you are going to enter your email and your password to log into your own account. So I'm going to enter my own and log in. So voila, as you can see, I just log into my own account. So you can see those are gigs. Those like what I just said to you. You can see, say this person, say I will make a 6 cartoon or an animal illustration from your photos. So that is what this person is going to do for you. So you can see this person say I will write 2 high quality 1,000 word SEO articles within 48 hours. So it keeps on going and so on, and so you can find different offers. And you can see this person say I will give you Google AdSense approved for any blog. So that is what this person is going to do for you. So that is it. And if you can select it by category. Let me say, for example, you click here, you can say okay, you need graphic, and you click on apply. So once you click on graphic, you apply. You can come down again, you click on subcategory. You can say okay, the graphic, it can be like, let me say marketing design, or let me say logo, brand, or identity. I click on apply. So it's going to show me things that correspond to what I just entered on that category. So you can see those are logo, t-shirt, and design. So I selected the category of designing, and that is what is showing me. So I just want to give a short tips about this. That is how you can select it by category to find if you want people to do a particular task for you. That is when you do this. So what you can do, let me say you want to post a gig. You can click on this section where you say post gig. So on this part, you'll be able to create job for people, and when they buy this job from you, you can complete it and you are going to be getting paid. That is what I want you to know about creating a gig on Sproutgigs. So on the other way, how you can make money on Sproutgigs, if I click on the referral program here you can copy your link and share your link with your audience, and anyone that use your link, sign up and buy anything, do any task on Sproutgigs, and they make money, you are going to be making 5% from anything that they complete on Sproutgigs. That is what I want you to be aware of. And the most expensive way that you can make money, that you can use to make money on Sproutgigs, is their offer method, where you can complete offers, do like go and watch people video, go and like people post, go and comment on people Instagram post, go and comment on people YouTube post, go and subscribe to people YouTube channel. All those things I just mentioned, you are going to be making money. Go and submit your email to a particular company, go and give your opinion about a particular services, all those things. You can make money with them on Sproutgigs. Let me show you. If I click on this three icon here and I will click on the session, make sure you are on worker account. Once you click, you have to click on this button to switch to worker, so that you'll be able to do this that I'm going to show you. So once you do that, you click on this session where it say micro jobs. If I click on micro jobs here, you click on the section where you say find jobs. If I click on find jobs here, so it's going to pop up ways that you can use to make money. You can see this person is a new offer, download articles PDF file, and if you do this, if you download article PDF file, you are going to get paid 120 cents for doing this. So not $100, $1.20, $1.20. It keeps on going. You can go and sign up on up to auto KYC, and only new user, you get 50 cents for doing that. And this person is going to pay you 21 cents, and it keeps on going. This person is going to pay you for wedding registration sign up 115 cents, and you can see it keeps on going. So you can see this person say hot offer, watch YouTube videos. You can see this person is going to pay you $1.20 for watching YouTube video. It keeps on going, so I cannot just continue explaining all those things. You can see that it's very simple. So to complete any task, you just need to click on it and read instruction of what they are telling you to do. Let us say, for example, for this video, I can click on this guy now, and what you need to do, you need to read through what the person wants you to do. So you can scroll down here, you can see what this person is telling you to do. I will blow it out because I don't want YouTube to block this my video, because I'm revealing what this person is showing here. You have to be private. So you can go through here and see the requirement. You can see where it say what is expected from workers. This is what is going to be expected from you. Read it through and go and complete the task. Send them the proof, submit the proof, and once you submit the proof, you click on this where it says submit proof. You click on that and make sure you enter all the file that they require from you. Click on submit proof, and this person is going to review what you have done, and they are going to pay you this $1.20 for completing this task. So I hope you understand that is how you can make money. You can see the person will pay you $1.20 for just completing this task. Imagine you doing 20 of this task in just one day. You will see that you will make a lot of money at the end of the day. So that is how you can make money with this website, which is called Picoworker, and now is known as Sproutgigs. So you can switch this by category. Let me say you want to just focus on others. You want to make it a startup. You want to do a task of startup people, that is new users. You can do that, and you can select it by category too. You can say, okay, you want things like a video. And video, you can click on that, and you can just go down again, click on the subcategory, and you can say, okay, watch videos, and you click on apply. And if you scroll down here, you can only find tasks of people asking you to watch video. You can see this person, he say you should watch promotion content. You can see for just watching this video, you are going to be getting 10 cents, 113 cents. So it keeps on going. So by just watching video, that is how you can filter it by category to get exactly what you want. Let me say you want to talk about like commenting, you can go to category again and you can select okay video, and once you click on video, you click on apply and you come down again here, you can say okay, comment. If I click on comment, I click on comment now, you can see maybe people that have posted comment, they will display at the bottom here. You can select it by location, by country. It just depends on how you want it. So I just want you to be aware of that. You can do this. So that is almost everything I need to talk about on this website. You already know how you can create a gig and how you can make money with this website, which is called Sproutgigs. I know you'll be wondering, I've talked about all those things, but how can I cash out? If I want to cash out my money, how can I do that? So how you can do is you go to this three, click on this three icon. So once you click on it, click over here, say wallet. So when you click on wallet here, if you already have a minimum amount of cashing out, you will see that you have options of cashing out. If I click on request withdraw, it will take us to where we'll have to select the payment method, PayPal, Bitcoin, or other payment method that they added, and you'll be able to withdraw your money. As you can see, say withdraw are processed within 10 business days of placing a request, which is if you place your order on Monday, you will receive your money on maybe in 10 days, which is 1 week plus. You receive your money within 1 week or within 1 week or 1 week plus. So that is it, and that is how you can withdraw your money. You already know about that. So I'm going to end this video from here, guys. I will say that if you like this video, all I just want from you now is to hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, let me know what you think about this video. If you want to learn how you can make money online with Picoworker, other video that I made when they were when this website that is called Sproutgigs was known as Picoworker, you can watch this video. If you want to learn how you can make money with affiliate marketing, about how you can make up to 10K, you can watch the second video. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and I will see you on my next video.